Hey guys, this is Dan here on Engine 2548 shift. October 4th through the 10th is Fire Prevention Week, and this year's theme is Serve Up Fire Safety in the Kitchen. Unattended cooking fires is the #1 reason for home fires and home fire injuries. Here's a couple simple tips to help you stay safe. Always stay in the kitchen when you're cooking, and make sure when you leave to turn off your burner. Always keep a lid nearby in case a fire breaks out, and never use a fire extinguisher to put a grease fire out. Just put the lid on.
Hi, I'm Leah with Ladder 253. To prevent burns when cooking, just turn the handle. That way no one can come by and hit it and spill it. Keep towels and oven mitts away from the stove so they don't catch on fire. And then make sure kids stay 3 feet away from the stove and pets as well. Fire Prevention Week is a great time to get together with your family and make an escape plan and to designate a safe meeting place.